Okay, so here we have a test for extrasensory perception, also known as ESP, and it involves asking a person to tell which of five shapes a circle, star, triangle, diamond, or heart appears on a hidden computer screen. On each trial, the computer is equally likely to select any of the five shapes. Suppose researchers are testing a person who does not have ESP, and so they're just guessing on each trial. What's the probability that the person guesses the first four shapes incorrectly but gets the fifth correct? Okay, so if we got five shapes, and if we assume, again, that you're equally likely to select any of the five shapes, so that means you have a 1 in 5 chance, or a 1 in 5 chance, or 20%, or 0.2 chance of selecting a correct shape on any guess. 20% chance, or 0.2, or 1 in 5. Now, we're trying to figure out what's the probability that the person guesses the first four shapes incorrectly, but gets the fifth correct. So this is an example of a geometric random distribution, or random variable. Listen, it doesn't really matter actually in this case. What you really just have to understand is the situation. This is saying that you're going to have four guesses in a row that are wrong. So your first guess, second guess, third guess, fourth guess are all wrong. Now, since this is a situation where the guesses are independent, you're going to use the multiplication rule. So you're going to basically use the multiplication rule across all five guesses, and multiply, the appropriate, proportion. So if you have a 0.2 chance of guessing correctly, that means you have a 0.8 chance of guessing incorrectly. So you have a 0.8 chance of guessing incorrectly on your first guess, times a 0.8 chance of guessing incorrectly on your second guess, times a 0.8 chance of guessing incorrectly on your third guess, and you got it, 0.8 chance of guessing incorrectly on your fourth guess. Now, if you're going to guess correctly on your fifth guess, you have a 0.2 chance of guessing correctly on your fifth guess. So this is just basically the same as, 4/5 times 4/5 times 4/5 times 4/5, or 0.8 to the fourth times 0.2, because it looks like they have our answers in fractions. So let me just rewrite this as a power. So this is just 4/5 to the fourth times 1/5 to the 1, or times 1/5. So our answer then is C.